In my profession, I take 100-page documents and summarize them in 1 page or bullet points. This is like a dream come true, and I can't wait to start using it. The training was great. I think most people have barely scratched the surface of this, and you gave us a lot of great pointers as to how to start. Most of us, I don't think, have done very much with this. I think it's great. In my profession, I take 100-page documents and summarize them in 1 page or bullet points. This is like a dream come true, and I can't wait to start using it.
Thank you. And how would you compare this training to other AI trainings that you've been to?
It was great for a novice, but also great for somebody who's been using it, because you touched on a lot of the different topics and a lot of the points you made about being careful with personal information and how to tailor the prompts to get what you want were really good for somebody like me.
Would you recommend it to others?
Absolutely. I think everybody should sit through this, because this AI is here. It's not going to go away, and if we don't learn how to use this tool, what's the term, Luddites? People who don't use technology? Well, we're the new generation of those people if we don't start.
How confident were you before you came to this training, and how confident are you leaving here?
Not confident at all when I started. I'm going to go home and use it to do reports that I have to do. I think you were great. You kept people engaged, tailored your presentation to the audience, and had a real feel for the personalities. I enjoyed it very much.